Need help with your garage door? Call the Garage Door Pros. Call us. If you're looking to install a brand new garage door or repair your current one, we can help you. Get friendly, affordable service from professional garage door installers today. Call us now.